What's going on, guys? How are you? Hopefully Vic don't run me over back here, but we got a whole bunch going on. As you guys kind of see with a little time lapse we got going on. He's back, guys. He's back. There we go. But I can't take him serious right now. So we got a whole bunch going on right now, as you guys can kind of see. But one thing's for sure, with everything kind of opening up and restrictions going on, we got to focus on getting the showroom back. Not back, but I guess we got to get the showroom in place and 100% going. We're looking to dress it all up. Let's see if we got the right box.
Wrong one.
It's the wrong box?
No.
Ah.
The junk.
Oh man. All right, so we're looking for the boards and all the magazine lowrider pretty much poster boards that we have. That's what we're looking for. We gotta get those hung up today. We gotta try to finalize the showroom. That's the goal, while still trying to run and do business and ship everything out. And so far what's going out today, all that. Saw's still cutting, plasma's still going, machine's still going on, Vic moving stuff around. But are you OSHA approved? I don't know if he's OSHA approved, guys. And in door number 2, let's see if we have a winner. I guess we should have marked all these before we just put them up there blank. I guess some of them are marked, some say attic. Came from our upstairs space on the other building. Uh-oh, machine just stopped. This is what I hate when I'm not sitting there babysitting the machine. If it hits a piece of material, it senses it, it shuts off automatically. And then, you know, if you're doing something, here we go. So these Z-rack brackets all cut up right here. We already cut all this sheet. All right, let's get this bad boy started. Pretty simple, start. So that's back running now. Gotta check on the saw real quick. Putting a whole bunch of trailing arm pieces, restocking these guys. Upper adjustable trailing arms for caddy and G-body are being cut right now. We've cut 5 pieces out of 50 so far. This stick's only gonna get about 50 pieces out of it, so we got another stick sitting right over there. So door number 2 was wrong. What is in door number 3? We gotta move some motors real quick. We'll get this out of the way and check that one. Hopefully it's that one. All right, hopefully this is the winner, guys. Well, we found the old trophies, but it's not the right one. Let's take out the banner. We'll hang the banner up though. Well, instead of just keep guessing, I just came on top of the forklift. We found them. They're right there. Vic, we found them. Charlie, we found them. Charlie got a whole bunch of the Y bones bent up and cleaned up. These will be ready for cutting. I believe we gotta push these over here though. What happened? Well, as you guys can see, we kind of had a busy day today. Things got hectic. I kind of didn't film everything. We tried to get the showroom together, but we just had orders that had to keep getting out, and well, we didn't get as much as we wanted to done. And then I completely forgot to film, to be honest. And now I'm sitting here in the parking lot because I got a 1 hour wait because I'm waiting for my wife to get here. We're gonna have dinner. I went to Texas Roadhouse because I love that place, and it was like a 2 hour wait. Wasn't gonna wait that. Here at Applebee's right now, it's only a 1 hour wait. She's gonna be here in about 45 minutes, so now I just got time to kill. So as I'm waiting here, waiting for my wife and my daughter to get here, again, it's like an hour wait, so we're just gonna chill here for right now. We're actually gonna be heading down to San Diego tomorrow. We just lined up all the details. We just ironed them all out right now. I'm gonna be meeting up with some of the guys down there in SD. As you guys know, Fern's Barbecue. Also gonna be finishing and meeting up with the guys from Work For It. We got a whole bunch of stuff. One of the going away things for some of the guys. And it looks like my wife, looks like she's here. Can't see her back there, but she's pulling up. We're gonna act like her hair doesn't look different because she just got her hair done. So we're gonna act like it doesn't look different, so she gets mad. Oh, by the way, my sister does her hair. So let's see what she says. See your hair?
Huh?
It doesn't even look different.
It doesn't look different?
It looks the same.
Why are you recording?
It looks alright.
Lighter?
It is definitely lighter. Hi there. Hi, baby. What you doing?
We're inside,
Oh, yeah, no, we're dining inside. How was your day? Grandma watched you today. Really? Was it crazy today or what? It's like you upgraded your car seat, huh? And tell everyone on YouTube hi. Let's get you out of here. Let's get you out of here, baby. I'm gonna say hi to everyone on YouTube. They haven't seen you in a while. Since what, your birthday? You say hi to everybody? Did you have a good day with Grandma today? So, we're still waiting on our table to be called, but they showed up. And Mama's hair doesn't look any different. Just kidding, baby. It looks good. I'm gonna get in trouble. Hi. Alright, so we're gonna head in right now. We're gonna go get some dinner, and we'll probably just see you guys tomorrow. Probably end this off. So thank you guys always for liking, sharing, subscribing. Make sure you guys check out all the other videos. If you guys haven't caught up, I've been kind of updating a lot quicker, and I'm aiming for like every 2 days. It's been a mission, but we've got a few videos up, a few new ones, some 90s Cali, man, I can't even talk. 90s back from Cali Boy, the Sentra. I got a whole bunch of updates on there, so if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys go check it out. Also some YouTube, some how-tos from Art. Make sure you guys check those out as well. And then we also just upload a whole bunch of new product on the website, so make sure you guys go www. You laughing at me? www.hoppasonline.com. Yeah, she thinks it's funny, guys. I messed that one all up, but we're gonna leave it in there because she laughed. So you guys have a good one. Thank you guys always for liking, sharing, subscribing. You guys have a good one. I'm out. Bye.